There are 10,366 questions, and there's a lot of replies too. We don't focus the blueprint scripting section, but I'll go in here every once in a while and try to see if I can answer anybody's questions or anything like that, and we'll try to do it on stream if I find anything. And rolling credits, that's a UMG thing. It would take me a little longer to set it up than I have. Removing widget from viewport, that's a pretty easy one. Yeah, that one I can go over in just about a few minutes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open the project that we have a UMG thing for. And yeah, let's save it, whatever. Don't save, whatever. I don't know. Pretty sure I saved everything beforehand. Okay, so how to remove widget from viewport. He wants to remove one from viewport and replace it with another. That's pretty easy. So in here, we're going to come to our first person blueprint area. We're going to, I need to create, go to add new, miscellaneous. Where's my widget data? Here. Widget blueprint. Okay. Call this one remove me. Call this one add me. And all we're going to have is text right in the middle of the screen. It says remove me. Compile, save. This one's going to say add me. Compile, save. Okay, so that's our two. As you can see, remove me, all it's going to say in the middle is remove me. Add me, all it's going to say is add me, and I need to anchor that. The anchor actually will make it to where it is specific to your screen, so if you have a different resolution or something like that, it'll always be in the top left, top middle, top right, middle, whatever you need. In this case, we just want it right in the middle. Go into our first person character, and let's set it up. Okay, going to use let's use the button U for UMG. Do flip flop, create widget, remove me. Owning player is get player controller, and I may be incorrect on this portion. The create widgets might have to be somewhere else. Add to viewport. Okay, so in this case, what it's going to do is it's going to find the remove me widget, create that, and then add that to the viewport. And then if we press it again, it's going to okay. Remove from parent. Yeah, actually, I'm going to create the widgets first, and then that way it's not screwing around on me. Go away. Okay, so I need to create one more widget. Create widgets, and this one is going to be add me. Owning player is the player controller that you are using, so that's that. So press U creates these two, which actually maybe this might even be more useful in the event begin play. Yeah. Okay, so I'm actually going to do this on event begin play. That way we're not having to create multiple copies of each widget. And I'm going to promote that to a variable. Call that variable remove me. And then we create this one, and we're going to right click, promote to variable, and we're going to call that one. Can you guess? Can you? It's going to be add me. I promise. Not going to lie to you. I might lie to you, but not about that. I'd find something more interesting to lie about. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do for each one is remove from parent. In this case, we want to make sure add me is removed, and in this case we want to make sure remove me is removed. Then add to viewport. Boom and boom. There we go. Well, I could have done this horribly wrong, and we might actually have to create up here, but that's a pretty simple fix. So, I'm going to go in... Oh, still simulating, not... No, I don't want to launch. Oh my god. Okay, this might take a minute. I didn't mean to actually hit launch. There we go. Cancel. Go away. I don't want to launch you. Take forever and not do what I want. Okay. So, in this case, what we've got set up, if I press U, nope. Okay, so where's my event begin play? There it is. We're going to move this back up here. Move over, pull this, put that there. Didn't mean release. We want create. There we go. Maybe this will work. Go away. There we go. So let me follow along with our debug selection here. I'm going to move that right here so we can see. Go away. Make sure I'm hitting the right key here. I can barely see. Yeah, should be hitting the right key. So it's not picking up that I'm pressing U. Let's try a different key. Maybe it's a key thing. I guess I could run it off a timer. Set timer. Function name UMG. I'm going to set it on a 1 minute or a 1 second looping timer. So custom events. Not update custom movement component. custom event, UMG, compile. I have a feeling that I did something wrong. Oh, maybe my world settings got screwed up? There it goes. And it didn't remove it. Okay. Why didn't you remove it? Well, let's see. Let's go through the viewport. I can at least come over here and find my talking NPC blueprint. And let's go to event graph. There it is. Leaving, disable input, set text, remove from parent. Yeah, it's a remove from parent. And I know that one works because that we go over here and it's like, up. No, it's what's going on? Very curious. That might be a bug. Huh. I'm gonna have to yell at Rudy until he fixes it. Not that he actually fixes it, but it's more fun to yell at Rudy. Okay, let's try this here. I'm gonna try just the add me. We're gonna remove it. So let's see if it's that. Add me. Add me not getting removed. Yeah. Okay, so we just found ourselves a bug. Yay. Or I'm doing something horribly wrong and Rudy's gonna look at this and be like, you're an idiot. You know, whatever. Whatever works. But yeah, so the setup I have, I think, should have worked, where it should remove. Let me try doing it manually from here. Compile, play. Nope. Well, that just flubbed that whole thing up. Okay. I'm gonna put a pin in this for now. See if we can find something else to do until I can figure out why that's not working. Okay, comment, change widget not working. Alright, have a great night, Crypticer.